Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kirsty Meakin and today we're going to do some nails inspired by this gorgeous top that's from my edit that is Kirsty Meakin by Morgan, and it's like a, what did you call it?
A bodice.
A bodice. That's what I was going to say. Bralette. It's not a bralette because that'd be really small. It's not that small. It's a bodice, and it's a bit like got corsets and kind of detail on it. So we're going to incorporate that into a nail on Morgan. So we've already got a sculpted out nail. We're going to start with base coat. As always, you've got to put your base coat on. This is like, you know, when you do your foundation and you need a good base to work on. So some people just use moisturiser on the face. Yeah, some people use primer, and primer kind of smooths out your skin. And this is the same thing. And primer on your face, when you use it, actually creates good adhesion, doesn't it, as well? It keeps your makeup on.
Are we going in?
We're going in. And that's kind of what the base does as well. It keeps everything on.
Turn me on, Doc. Turn
me on. Oh, under the desk. And it's black, so it's really wearable, and you can actually put this bodice with other items of clothing in the edit. It's like a capsule wardrobe, I think.
It is a capsule wardrobe, definitely.
I love it.
Because we styled this one with a jean, didn't we?
Yeah.
So you could do this like with trainers or with heels.
Yeah, it can be out or it can be smart cash.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to use Void. So this is our main colour. We are also going to incorporate, and I got a grey. There it is. It is called Kurt. Oh, of course it is. It's named after Kurt, my brother. We thought it was the perfect colour for him because it's grey. Sorry, Kurt. So we're going to do like the sort of neckline, and it kind of, it's, I wouldn't say it's completely sweetheart. It's a soft sweetheart neckline, would you say?
Yeah, because it has got straps, but then it does curve really nicely because it's got some bust cups, hasn't it?
It has got bust cups, so you've got support as well, and that's, we need that. We need a bit of support. You know, I am 43. We need support for the boobies. So we're going to do a soft curve, and I just want you to cure me that first bit, if you don't mind. And it's got like little
hook and eyes.
Yeah, hook and eyes down here, and it comes down into like a little strap.
Yeah, and it's got D rings.
Yeah, D rings. So we've had O rings, now we've got D rings.
Yeah, it's got D rings.
All the letters of the alphabet.
It is. It's really nice.
It's lovely.
It is really nice.
Right, give me that here.
And she's made from a lovely stretch fabric.
Oh, that's what we need.
Oh, it is.
Because, you know, I feel like my weight fluctuates throughout the day. So I'm just going to neaten that up now. We've got our guide. And then it kind of does this at the bottom. But do I want to put that in? Is that going to be more difficult to put in? So it scoops up. And it gives like the impression of, I want to say suspenders.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
But obviously,
they're not suspenders.
No, they're not. But that style is on trend, isn't it, at the minute?
Yeah, it really is. Yeah, it really is.
I have seen it on Instagram and stuff a lot.
Oh, all the influencers are having them.
All the influencers, and now it's time for Kirsty Meakin.
I know. I can't believe it. Yeah, so we've got that little shape at the bottom. So pop me that in the lamp, and then I can use the brush from the bottle. Now I've got those guides, I can use that brush. And I can put the colour on. We can fill in that space. What's it felt like being a model on the channel?
Oh, I've loved being a model on the channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to come again.
I think you should come again.
This time next year, should be having 9-inch nails.
I know. You will.
Oh, hell no.
No, you've got no choice when you sit in that chair.
I know. I know that.
You just thought all of a sudden you'll be like, hang on a second. I was only in number 3 like a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
I know.
Now I'm a number 9.
Yeah, these are number 3s, aren't they?
Number 3 is on the sculpting form. But yeah, do you know what? You start off little and then it becomes like, oh, we can manage them a little bit longer. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know you've said, oh, picking up things off the floor with this length is a little bit difficult to pop that in.
Yes, I have struggled today. But I picked number 3, didn't I, on the sculpting ball? And you were surprised.
I was surprised,
You
yeah.
thought I would have gone shorter.
Yeah.
But I feel like these are actually okay. And
Yeah.
even Mum looked at them last night and she was like, oh, they're a nice length.
Yeah, I think they are. They're not phase length, like, do you know what I mean? They are a manageable length.
Manageable, that's what we need.
Definitely. Because you're busy bee, aren't you?
I'm busy bee and I'm always unboxing stuff and I don't want to wreck them.
Yeah, no, you have to use a tool when you're unboxing your stuff. When you're
Yeah.
unboxing your stock, please use a tool,
Not the
your nails.
Okay.
They are jewels, not tools.
Oh.
Okay. So the grey is going to come in now because the grey is going to help us add a little bit of shade and highlight and a little bit of detail. Yeah, so we've got like this section here, bit of busty business and a bit of that. Right, okay. So I'm using my Messy Nessie brush. It's shorter, more control. Centre seam. Then we've got some cuppage going on. Cuppage.
Bit of cuppage.
So the grey isn't too overpowering, so if you used white, you know, you'd be just, oh, it'd be a bit harsh. A little bit harsh, look, a little bit harsh.
Yeah.
We don't want it to be harsh. And we've got like stitching detail, haven't we, as well?
Yes, there is stitching detail. They've outlined like the corset seams, haven't they?
Yeah, I like that.
I like that as well. These are like a little Betty Boop nail. Do you remember Betty Boop?
Yeah. Is this a bit Betty Boop?
She always had a boobies out, didn't she?
Oh,
Betty
she
Boop?
did, yeah. She did have a boobies out, though. So we're going to slightly come across just to give that illusion of a slimmer waist. Now I've got that song in my head.
What?
Betty Boo, just doing the do when you walk through. You've never heard of it, have
She
you?
was on the radio the other day.
I haven't heard
She's
the
actually
song.
coming back.
But I know obviously who Betty Boop was.
Yeah.
When I was little, I loved her.
Did
We
you?
used to have like bags and stuff and like pens and notebooks
Oh,
with
yeah,
Betty
yeah.
Boop on.
You did that when you...
Is she a real person?
I thought she was a character.
Oh no, I
I
don't.
mean, I don't.
The last product,
Oh, who was it? Who did it?
the black.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh my god. See, you can tell you were a superstar DJ.
But Betty Boop, the character, is a
No, that's
character.
Betty Boo.
Oh.
Betty Boo.
Not the pick.
Yeah. Sorry. Pop me that in the lamp. Just give that a cue. Give it a cue. Then we've got these little trinkets. So these are from Nailchemy. They do loads of little like weird and wonderful things for nails. And my idea, right, so my idea is to take these, oh god, these little stars, bit fiddly them, duck, bit fiddly, and cut them up. So what I'm going to do is cut each one of these off. And these are going to be the little hook and eyes. So Luke, I'm just taking it off.
You took off the sides of the star, haven't you?
Yeah, the points.
We are comfortable with each other's...
Right, so we've got some of the Totalis gel. So this is what's going to adhere everything onto the nail. So one. See, I don't know how many I'm going to get. So let me just... I'm going to do one first. And that's going to help me plan out. And I can see how many I can fit. 1, 2, 3. I might get 4.
It does hook an eye up right to the bottom of the arch.
Ah, so yeah, we can work with that. I feel like I'm doing nails for like London Fashion Week here.
Yeah, look. Kirsty Meakin Fashion Week.
It is.
Bit of it, like our bit.
Just pop me that in. And then we're going to do a little dot on the end of each one. I'm going to do 2 at a time because I'm a bit conscious that...
Knock them.
Yeah, and we've got these little tiny micro beads to go on the end, just to like finish that little clasp. Pop that in. Now if you're a bit untrusting of your client, you might think they might knock it when they go in the lamp, then I would use the little flash lamp or a little portable lamp. I'm not saying I don't trust you.
I did smack one yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah.
But that was because I wasn't used to the long nails.
No.
Well, these really do look like hook and eye, don't they?
You'll put it on the right way round, Kirst.
It'll be an eye and a hook instead of a hook and an eye.
I wouldn't like a hook in the eye though.
Oh no.
So we're going to top coat, we're going to go over the entire design. That's going to help keep everything on, and it's also going to stop Morgan from catching it all in her hair. Pop that in.
It'll keep them hook and eyes fastened, won't
It will keep them fastened. They won't come. They do look like they would be functional. I know.
Well, they are nice, aren't they? Oh,
That's
yeah.
nice. I like it. Cool. I like it.
I like it.
Right, bit of cuticle oil. And it's done. So, if you've loved this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and all that shebang. Everything we've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all that shebang. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da, duck. Everything I've used, everything I've brought the Start that again. Everything we, oh God. Hold on, the words, they will not cometh out of the mouth. From the brain to the mouth, there's clearly a blockage. Fucking hell! It's off like a TikTok, some thing.